This is a demonstration of the Forrest Model 2214 double-bladed trim and beveling saw. It includes two separate saw heads, both of which are adjustable for position and angle. This is a new design for us, redesigned from the old model. Much easier to use, much easier to locate, change angles, and change blades. I'll demonstrate. Each of the two saw heads will be adjusted. Release the brake. With the blade. Set the brake. Also, use hand wheel to adjust the angles. Release the brake. Turn the hand wheel to get the angle you need. Workpiece drill table. Put your workpiece onto the table. Put your blade on the front. One material will make your cover. Also, with this design, it's very easy to change out the blades. Blades are simple. Right here. No need to move. You need to take this double blade. This machine is primarily designed for insulation, but many creative users have found lots of uses for it, cutting all sorts of materials, plastics, pipes, semi-finished goods.